here, and I'm just in Melbourne and staying in a hotel, which got me thinking about food. And I kind of spoil myself when I go away and always have a hot breakfast, which got me thinking about my own cooking and my own experiments, let's just say. Sometimes I really love to just open a cookbook and go, I'm going to try making that. And then there are other times when I open the fridge, look what's in there and think, could I be inventive today? And you know, sometimes there are some wins and we're quite surprised and delighted with what appears on the plate. Whereas other times, not so much. And we dial a pizza to save ourselves. And that's okay. You know, I'm disappointed at one level that my inspiration and my creativity didn't hit very well, but that's okay. And that's the piece I think that we need to remind ourselves, that sometimes we need to give ourselves permission to try something. And if it's not working, stop, adjust, learn, but be okay that it didn't work and take the lesson. One of the things I hear a lot of senior leaders say about their management team is, I just want them to give something a go. I want them to get on with it. I trust them, they're smart, but I want them to think about the things they're trying out. And if it doesn't work, then adjust, take the lesson. Yes, of course, there are times when we can't risk some things, but there are definitely times when there is worth the risk. So just some food for thought. Notice the pun. Let me know how you go.